All right, so in the spirit of the quarantine or whatever we have here, and since
The whole world gone crazy!
I'm gonna go ahead and jump on board and do a update video. So, I'm in the shed. About 2 years ago, I moved the shed from over there all the way underneath here and put it in this spot. And I redid a bunch of stuff, and you can go back to the channel and find that. Some people have asked me about the shed and how it's doing. It's doing great. I did have to replace the roof, or I had to fix the roof, and well, here, I'll just cut to that now. Okay, so here I've got the sheathing, or whatever, this EPDM roofing pulled back. You can see all that is rotted out. I'm gonna cut back to around here, right about this line right there. Replace all that to about right to this seam right here. Everything over here is good. This is all kind of rotted out. And then I'm gonna probably reuse this stuff because there's gonna be a metal roof going on top of it. None of this leakage ever happened inside. This is all on the overhang. But what the problem was, is they had this flashing, when they built this, they had the flashing, how it is here. This EPDM roof membrane is down, and they put this flashing on so that the rain will come this way. But then back here, they did it exactly like this. So they didn't run the membrane over. It looked exactly like this, and so the water was just seeping in every time it rained. And this was built probably 7, 8 years ago. No. I'd probably say 6 years ago. Anyway. All right, here it is. Got the flashing up over the front. I just cut that corner, and then I'll be coming back down this side to this side. I'm not gonna put any eve flashing on this back. It's overhanging by about 4 inches, and then there's another 1 foot overhang from the building itself. And I'm just gonna have to be fine with that. All right, so now that we got up to date on the roof, now I'm looking at the Shishugibon door. About 2 years later, and you can see it's faded. It's not all solid black anymore. It's kind of worn off a little bit. I don't know if that's good or bad or what, or if I did it wrong. I'm not sure, but it seems to be fine. Here is the steel door handle that I made, and that's still going strong, doing very well. I never really made a video of it, but this is the way that I use whenever I open the gate to seal the door. So you can kind of see there, kind of slides in to that channel, and that channel has a gasket in there to kind of push everything up against. So after I moved the shed, I was gonna turn it into a shop, and I have only turned it into a storage shed. So it is literally still a storage shed, but I have made some more space in my house. We added on a lot to it, and I have a bunch of cool stuff coming up. I got a lathe, I got a welder. I actually won a plasma cutter off of YouTube, which is great. So I'm gonna do a video on that. I've got a bunch of projects coming up, and I don't know, that's it. So there's the update. Shed is fine and great. Turning it into more of a shop. I have a workbench I'm trying to finish up, and yeah, a bunch of projects coming up. So stay tuned, and thank you all for being around and watching.